Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check for hidden messages in Messenger. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Messenger. After that we need to archive any chat. Swipe to left, click archive. After that, you must click on this button in the upper left corner. After that, click archive. And here you can find and check hidden messages in Messenger. If you want to unhide, you must swipe to left and click unarchive. And now we can go back to chats and find these messages here. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.